What's up YouTube, it's your boy ItzZeyrox, and today back with another unboxing. It's been a minute since we had a real unboxing, and I don't know when our last one was, maybe like a year ago. Got something special, and this is for my PC. This is a GPU holder, and yeah, so got it from Amazon. So I'm just gonna pretty much open this up. So close this up, and it's from upHere. It's like one of them brands. They had ones like Asus and all that, but you know, I'm not paying $40 for a GPU bracket. So yeah, it's pretty much just install it in your GPU, and it holds it up. And usually, like the bigger ones, it just prevents it from sagging. Most of them are made out of metal. Some of them they go right under your GPU, or they pretty much act like a GPU. So I have to open up both sides. But yeah, here we go. Just gonna get this trash out of here. And yeah, that's what it looks like. We have our bracket screws, so we screw it on our GPU place. You know. By the way, if you guys did not see my PC video, you guys can go check that out. I'll put a link in the description down below, all that cool stuff. But yeah, this is what the bracket looks like. You know, pretty simple. Mostly made out of metal. It's probably plastic here. You know, screws. Another screw bracket, so you can like screw this on to the GPU so it don't sag. So this goes on the like at the side of the GPU because like a bracket, so it just stays. And yeah, this plugs into the motherboard, so this thing can light up. I'm hoping it's customizable. I hope it's just not there just for show, because my whole PC's red. So yeah. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go put this on my motherboard, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so here's the PC. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this is the PC. If you guys want to go see me build this, I'll probably go put a link. And yeah, on that link I have all my stats and all that stuff for the PC. And as you can see, my GPU looks a little saggy. But you know, look, we have our GPU holder. So yeah, I'm gonna take off this screen, probably time lapse it a little bit, and yeah, I might have to turn off my PC a couple times just to make sure things are okay. But yeah, otherwise, yeah. Alright guys, so I pretty much got it in. You guys can see it right under it. I don't know if you see like with my phone. So it's like up here, over here. I don't mean like actually up here, it's like under, but like, you know, it says up here. So yeah, the up here bracket is right under it. It has a screwable thing. It comes with like a little rubber pads, so you can put it on your GPU, so you know, if you want to sell it, you don't actually damage your GPU entirely. But yeah, it has the rubber padding, so both the metal doesn't have to touch entirely, so that's cool. It's pretty much screwing on. You pretty much push it up, so there's a sag. And yeah, and it comes with 4 screws just in case you know, you miss one. It has 3. And it comes with the LED, so I'm gonna go plug that in, and I'm gonna go configure it. I'll show you what it looks like just start. But yeah, everything's set up, and I'm pretty sure it's with Corsair you can set it up with, because I know my fans use Corsair. The fans that I use are deep cool fans, and they're able to be used with Corsair. And yeah, so this is pretty much just plugs into the motherboard. You could control all the lighting with the motherboard. And yeah, so when I turn on my PC, you'll see that the under bracket matches with the fan LED. So let's turn it on. So it turns on like that, and it's like a revolving breathing, like so. And you know, my PC's just loading. It's green right now, and just give it like 2 seconds, and then the LED should pop on. Everything should just turn red in like a couple seconds. Alright, if we just sit there. Alright, so Corsair is working. The RAM, yep, boom, there we go. Everything's red. So now you guys see the fan is over here. It's booming like that, there, and up there. You know, they're beating. And so it's pretty much red like that. And under, you can see it's doing the same thing, which looks really, really cool, actually. So that's pretty much the upHere GPU bracket. Pretty much just plug it in, then you screw it on. Don't just screw it on then plug it in, because that'll be a hassle. I don't know how your motherboard works, but my motherboard is the B550F, I think. I mean, just wanted to do unboxing, just wanted to come back to the game a little bit. I don't know what my next one will be, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys go down in the comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. If you guys want more unboxings, I'll try to come out with another one before the year ends, possibly. You know, Christmas is around the corner. Not really, it's like 4 months away. All that good stuff. Hope you guys having a nice day. Keep that Xerox mentality, and peace out.